How to transfer token from Bitget to Binance. Now to be able to do that, make sure to open the Bitget wallet first and log into your account. Now to be able to transfer token, this token it's could be USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, or anything. Now to be able to do that, tap on Assets. And from the top bar, tap on Spot. Now tap on Withdraw. Now in the search bar, type any token you want, for example XRP. Now tap on it. After that, tap on on-chain withdrawal. And now as you can see, set the network. As you can see the network, it will be XRP. Now we need to withdraw address. We will go and open the Binance to be able to get the withdrawal address from there. Now after you open the Binance app, we need to get the withdrawal address of XRP. Now to be able to do that, tap on wallets. Now after that, from the top bar, tap on spots. And now tap on deposit. Now from the search bar, type the XRP. Now after you find it, just tap on it. Now start tap on network and select the XRP ledger. And now as you can see, this is our withdrawal address. As you can see the deposit address, you can copy it. Just copy the withdrawal address and now go back to Bitget and now paste it here. Just paste it. And now the memo, just go back to Binance. As you can see, just copy the memo address too. Now go back to Bitget. And now in the memo, just paste this token and this withdrawal address. Now here type how much you want to transfer. As you can see, the minimum is 17. Now type above that, as you can see. Now this is how much fee you will pay, 0.2, and this is how much you will receive, 199.8 XRP. So this is how to transfer a token from Bitget to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.